Hey there, fellow investors. Today, we're diving into the world of active investments and the importance of risk management for long-term wealth creation. Passive investing might be all the rage these days, but let me tell you something, it's not for everyone. Sure, it's great for those who are happy to just coast along and don't mind being left behind when market conditions change. But if you're aiming for long-term wealth accumulation and creation, passive investing might not be the best strategy to achieve true wealth accumulation and creation. You need to be actively engaged in your investments. This means managing your risk by regularly rebalancing your portfolio, setting stop losses and take profits, and continuously monitoring your holdings to stay on top of any changes in the company's business activities. Remember, even the smallest changes can have a big impact on your portfolio performance. So there you have it. The key to long-term wealth creation is staying active and engaged in your investments. Don't get left behind. Start managing your risk today. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more investment insights. Happy investing.